'tis mine to obey, 'tis his to provide. Though systems be broken, and creatures are frail, the word he has spoken shall surely prevail. His love in time past forbids me to faint. He'll leave me at last in trouble to sink, while each Ebenezer I have in review confirms his good pleasure to help me quite through. Why should I complain of one's distress, temptation or pain? He told me no less, verse of salvation I know from his word. Through much tribulation must follow dear Lord. Since all that I need shall work for my good, the bitter is sweet, the medicine food. Though painful at present, 'twill see